Okay. So now we'll see the migration process, how to migrate customers to BP. So after that, we'll see once again the total steps, whatever we discuss. Because some people are asking, for practice purpose, what are the total steps we have to do? So we'll discuss that once again. But let me complete this process once, migration. Then we'll discuss again the total steps, what we discussed for practicing migrating customers to BP. All steps we'll discuss once again. But let me complete this. So last class, what we did, uh, field groupings, check upgradation report, check simplification item report. What is the seventh step? Tell me.
So we have defined the BP role for direction customer to BP.
Define BP roles for direction customer to BP. Okay. What is the eighth step?
Define number assignment for direction customer to BP.
Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Okay. So now we'll migrate the customers. Make it. Next step, migrate customers to BP. Migrate customers to BP. Migrate customers to BP. Migrate customers to BP. So we have a cockpit to migrate customers to BP. T code is MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. The T code to migrate customers to BP is MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. The T code to migrate customers to BP. The T code to migrate customers to BP. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. The T code to migrate customers to BP. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. The T code to migrate customers to BP. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. Now see here, I'll show you this. So after doing all the configurations, you have to migrate all your customers. I'll show you how to migrate in system. Before that, let us take what are the account groups we have. these three account groups H double zero two, H double zero three, H double zero four. Okay, and this is the number. We created three customers. These are the three customers. Okay, let us go to this screen. So go and after migrating, we'll go and check whether it is migrated to BP or not. These customers. Okay, three customers we have in each account group. Next, so go to your system. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. Enter. Double click on customer BP third one. Double click on customer to BP third one. Double click on customer BP. Double click on customer BP. Double click on this. Here right side, right side, scroll down, right side. So right side, scroll down here. Mention the field name, account group. In real time also, we do based on account groups. We do based on account groups. Each account group wise, we migrate customers. We don't do total at a time. So if you have 20 account groups, every account group we migrate and we cross check the tables whether total customers in that account group is migrated to BP or not. So that will be easy for us. So in account group, if you have 100 customers, but migrated to BP only 98 customers, so we come to know two customers is not migrated. So we do analysis like that. We rectify the error. What is the problem? So that it will be easy if you migrate customers based on account group. So if you migrate total customers at a time, then it will be difficult for you which account group we have problem means we can find out, but it will take more time. So in real time also we migrate customers based on each account group. Okay, select account group, here field name, mention uh, include Mention here I select specific values. Mention 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 option equal single value. Equal single value. Equal single value. Then mention the account group here. What is our first account group? Tell me.
H00.
Double zero two.
H002. This one. H002. So how many customers we have in KNA1? H002.
3.
Three customers. After migration, we check this table. BUT 000 table. So here also you should get three customers. BUT 000. Present before migration, go and check BUT 000 table. SC16N BUT 000. This is BP table. What is our grouping? Here you will have grouping. H002. What is our grouping? Go and check.
B
What is our
double zero two.
grouping? B002. Mention in this field B002 number of entries. No values found. So there is no entries here. You can check from here also. Say C16 also. BUT 000 grouping. BU underscore group means grouping. B002 number of entries 0. Number of entries 0 like that. Okay. Next. So present there is no data in this table BUT 000 for this BP grouping. Number of entries is 0. But once after migration, we'll get entries here. Okay. So mention here account group. You have to mention here account group, customer account group. So take this, pick if you want.
One query, this MDS underscore load cockpit, this we have to run it through which T code? SC38?
MDS
SC38?
underscore. Which one?
No, the MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. This is a T code?
This is a T code.
Okay, thank you.
You can see here below T code. This is the T code. Okay. So take this pick. Okay. After that, execute. 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 You will get message. Data successfully transferred to background process. Okay. Execute. Make a note. After execute, go to monitor. Go to monitor. Click on queue. Click on queue. Click on queue. Register and activate queue. Click on queue. Register and activate queue. register and activate queue. Click on queue, register and activate queue. Click on queue, register and activate queue. Now see here, you will get this message. There is no error here. There is no error here. Now after migrating this here, 12th, today is 12th. 12th, my username is root. Okay, 11:58 time. Okay, see here. Now go to this table, make a note. After migrating, go to SE16, go to SE16, mention the table BUT 000, SE16 or SE16N. You see, it is up to you. I'll show you both. Go to the T code SE16, mention table BUT 000, mention the table BUT. Go to the table BUT 000. Go to the table BUT 000. Enter. Mention your grouping. Tell me what is our grouping in our example.
B002.
B002. Now see number of entries. Number of entries. See here. Now you will get 3 entries. So here 3 customers migrated to BP. We have 3 customers Excel H002. These 3 customers migrated to BP. These 3 customers migrated to BP. Now go and check. Execute. You can see the numbers also. So number is different. What is the number? 100601. First BP number. 100602. 100603. Like that. Okay. So you have to cross check and update in Excel. In your Excel update BUT 000, how many entries? 3 entries. For H002. KNA1 3 entries. BUT 000 3 entries. And link table also check. Make a note. You need to check like this also. SC16N, BUT 000. Scroll down, mention the grouping. B002, execute. Like that. So here you can see BP number. This is BP number. Like that. Okay. So we check this cust table or link table also. Make a note. Link to check the link table. To check the CVI link table, go to SC16N. Mention the table CVI underscore cust underscore link. CVI underscore cust underscore link.
So can you repeat again, sir? It was too fast.
So SC16, to check the link table, go to SC16, CVA underscore cust underscore link, mention the table, CVA underscore cust underscore link, CVA underscore cust underscore link. Okay. So SC16, mention CVA underscore cust underscore link, enter. You can mention the date. Normally here we check every entry. Suppose earlier it might be 471 plus 3 entries 474 like that. So now it is 474. After that we check how many entries added, like that we come to know here in this table. Okay. But here I mentioned the date, 12th, number of entries, 5.
Yesterday it was 469, sir. When we were checking, check the upgradation report.
469. So 5 entries. Anyone did this? Another 2 entries. Okay. So here first customer we extended to other 2 divisions. So that also it updates in CV underscore link table. Okay. So that is okay. Next. Now how to check? You can check like this also. BP. Make a note. To check the business partner, go to the T code BP. To check the business partner, go to BP. Go to BP. BP is the T code for business partner. So /n BP. Okay. So mention the BP number. You know BP number. BUT 000 B002 execute 100601 is the BP number. Mention 100601 Balaji Enterprises. Double click on it. Double click on this left side. Now here select your BP role HHCU00. Select your BP role FI role HHCU00. Okay. So if you want change mode, you can go to change mode, or if you want to just see the information, you can see the information here. Name.
Sir, why we have to select BP role as FI customer?
You can select both. We'll see this FI customer. So go to company code data, see here your company code, and this is the customer number you can see here. What is the customer number? 200701. You can see the customer number here. Okay, reconciliation account 1,40,000. Now see sales area data HHCU01. Go to sales and distribution tab. So here mention, because this customer is in 3 sales areas, mention H100, H1, H1. Go to shipping. You have delivering plant, shipping conditions. Go to billing, Incoterms, terms of payment, like that. You can check your BP here. Now, sales areas. This customer is in 3 sales areas, so it will migrate all 3 sales areas, because we created customer in 3 sales areas. In BP also you will get all 3 sales areas. Like, just cross check that. Okay. Now one more customer, 10060, one more BP. Double click on this. You can check like this. If you want to see company code data, mention this HHCU00. If you want to see sales area data, mention the role HHCU01. Okay. So this is how we migrate customers to BP. Now we'll see other account group. We'll migrate the other account group.
Sir, is BP
Sir, I have a
member
doubt.
different? Yeah.
Sorry. Yes.
Hello. Yeah, sir. Sir, like in customer master, can we maintain this both company code data and sales area data in single BP role?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
We migrate. We can group all this FI and SD into one, and we can create BP only once with center common. So that is also available here. We'll see that separate.
Okay.
Sir, is business partner number different from customer number?
Now, in our configurations, we made it different. Now, next we will see same also. But here,
Okay.
see here, H002, customer number range is different, and BP grouping, BP number range is different. So, we whatever we configured, that is different. Customer number is different, BP number is different. But next we'll see same also.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Now, so this is BP migration. Now, so how to check customer number? You know BP number. Now, how to check customer number? Suppose 603. Double click on this. Go to HHCU00 or HHCU, whatever it is. So here we have customer general data. You can see the customer number here, 200707, like that. 200707 is the customer number. For this BP, this is the customer number. You can see like that. Okay. Next, go to company code data. Here also you can see the customer number. Okay. Now we'll see migration for other account group. What is our other account group? H003, and these are the customer numbers: 200750, 2007555756. Okay. Now tell me, what is the T code to migrate?
MDS underscore load underscore cockpit.
MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. Then what I need to do here?
So we need to select the third option, customer to business partner.
Double click on customer business partner. Double click on customer business partner. Double click on customer business partner. Double click on customer business partner. Right side, scroll down. Now here select field name account group. Select field name account group. Select the field name account group. Include specified values. Include specified values. Mention the option. EQ means equal single value. Equal single value. A lower limit.
Is double zero.
Should be our account. Sorry, our group.
What is the account group? H003. 1 second. Okay, H003. Mention the account group H003. See here, we will check here. If you go to vcast, account group H003, how many customers you will find here? Two H003. Remove the sales area. We created one, two, three, four, five. Actually, customers only 3. But why you are having 5 entries here? Tell me.
Extended to divisions.
Other divisions extension.
Yeah, first 3 is what same customer extended to other division. In CVI link also, we have same. In customer CVI customer link table also, we are getting 5 entries. Okay.
Sir, here a question. We have a one distribution channel and 3 divisions, right? So we will get the best possible entries will be 3, right? When we even extend to different divisions. Why we have 5, sir, here?
See, first customer we extended 3 times. The second customer we created only once. And the third customer also we created only in 1 sales area. First customer we extended to 3 sales areas. We have 3 customers here, 200750, 200755, 200756. But first customer extended to all 3 sales areas.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now, so 5 entries. Okay. So execute this. Account group, field name, include specified values, equal single value H003. I am executing this. Execute this. Then go to monitor. Go to monitor and check. See if this is success. We'll get errors also. Present there is no errors, but I'll show you errors also. And we'll see how to analyze and how to rectify. So that is also we do. Okay. Now this is also success. Okay. So good. Queue not required every time. Only first time you do this. First time you have to activate. Next time onwards, no need to go to queue. Just it is success. If there is any problem, we go to this. Call PPO. We'll see that. We get errors in next scenarios. So when you get errors, we'll go to call PPO and we'll see how to analyze that. Okay. Next. Okay. Now go and check SC16 and BUT 000. BUT 000. Mention the grouping. Tell me what is the group here? BP grouping.
103.
B003. B003. Go and check number of entries. 3 customers. Okay. Now check CVI link table. CVI earlier, how many entries?
5.
No. Previous CVI link total entries, how many? 471. Now go and check number of
474.
entries.
474.
It was
474. 477. Now go and check BP. We crossed one. What is the BP number? BUT 000. If you want BP number, check here. BUT 000 grouping. Mention the grouping B003. Execute. Two 000551. This number series. 200551. Okay. So go and check BP first one. 200551. Double click on this. Fetch. And what is the customer number? Do the 200750. You can cross check it. Customer number is 200750. BP number is 200551. So here also different. Okay. Go to sales area data, sales and distribution. So this customer is in 3 sales areas. Double click on select this. transfer, go to shipping, go to billing, like that. You can see the information here. Okay. Now we do the last one, H003 account group, MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. Now after this, we'll see one more scenario. Means from starting.
I think that one is 004, sir.
Sorry,
H004, sir, I think.
H004. Okay. So this is H004. So here also 3 entries. BUT 000. Now here after migrate, we have to update this also. Next. MDS underscore load underscore cockpit, double click on customer BP. Here, right side, scroll down, field name, account group, include specified values, equal single value, H004. Okay. So before this, go and check SC16 and what is the grouping for this? B004. How many entries? No entries. But after this, after migration, go and check. I'll execute this. Execute this. Go to monitor. Okay, third one is also success. Now go and check table BUT 000 number of entries. See, you will find 3 entries here. Update here, 3 entries. Go and check CVI table also. CVI underscore cust underscore link, number of entries, 480, like that. Okay. So this is how we migrate the customers to BP. This is simple migration. There is no errors here. But next process we'll discuss errors also. What kind of errors you will get, and we need to discuss field mappings. We have to map the fields. There are some fields which should be mapped customer and BP. So that also we need to discuss field mappings. Okay. So before that, let us see one scenario again, this simple scenario from starting, how to practice. Last classes, we'll put it in same place, how to practice this. Okay, first one, same.
Sir?
If you already have all the steps, no need to take this. But if you want to take all steps at one place, practice purpose, take this.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Sir, before that, can you explain what BP grouping is, what BP role, like why are we doing this?
That
Importance.
as I said, we'll discuss in greenfield implementation about BP. So here,
Okay.
concentrate on migration steps.
Okay, sir.
I already mentioned this. I think you only. So BP role, BP grouping, all those we'll discuss in greenfield implementation. Yes.
For contact person error, you said that you will be.
Yeah. We'll discuss all those. Just this is simple migration process. Practice this once, then we'll get into next level. Okay. Now, first step, practice purpose. If you want to practice this, first step, create or define customer number ranges. Define customer number ranges. T code. What is the T code? XDN1. First define customer number ranges. T code XDN1. Okay. So go to XDN1. Go to XDN1. Go to change intervals. Go to change intervals. T code XDN1. Go to change intervals. XDN1. Go to change intervals. Now see the free intervals. Go to interval and free intervals. So I'll take this 201, 2022, 201, 249, 20. Take only numbers, range of 50, a gap of 50 from and to, because we don't create 50 customers. Means practice purpose also will not create 50 customers. If you are creating more than 50, then take 99 gap from number and to number like that. 201, 2022, 201, 299 like that you can take. But don't take more than that, because everyone will practice. Everyone should have their own number ranges. So don't take huge number, into huge interval from and to. So take max 99. Okay. So I'll take 201, 2022, 201, 249, 201, 2022. Okay. I'll make it H5. H5 number interval from number interval H5.
So is this process for same customer number as well as business partner? Are we repeating for that?
No, this is customer number range. BP number ranges, T code and path is different.
Okay, but now you are repeating now since first. So what is the process name? Is there any specific name for it?
Same migration process we are discussing once again from starting.
Okay.
For practice purpose, someone asked all steps. So
No, yes,
if
sir,
you-
it
if
is
someone
required.
if someone missed some steps in between, if you miss some steps because last week or before last week, if you miss any of the steps, then it will be difficult for you to practice. So I'm mentioning here all steps at a time for practice purpose. Okay. So here starting step, if you want to practice this migration process, first step is define your number ranges, XD and 1. What is the free intervals? Two zero one, 2022, 201, 249. 201, 2022, 201, 249. Okay. Now mention here H5 insert insert H5 201, 2022, 201, 249. Uncheck external because my number is internal. So external uncheck, update that also. Here external is blank. Okay. Enter and save it. H5 is already there. 1 second. H6. Okay, someone practice this. Okay, H8. H8. 201, 2022, 201, 249. H8. Save it. You can give any number interval. You can give any code. Not only H1, H2. You can give anything. Okay. So this is H8. So this is first step. Next, define customer account groups. Define customer account groups. Define customer account groups. Define customer account groups. T code, tell me what is the T code? Define customer
OVT
account
0.
groups. OVT 0. We define H008. Here, assign number range as H8. Okay. Now that is the second step. OVT0. See whoever not having this steps, you need to write here. Next time we'll not discuss these steps again. If you don't have these steps, you have to take down. Okay. OVT0. Select 0001 account group. Select 0001 account group. Select 0001 account group. Select 0001 account group. Copy that. Mention your account group H008. 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 Mention sold to party. Give some name H008. Change the number range H8. Assign your number range H8. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. Okay. So this is second step. Now third step. Partner determination. Fourth step. We have to do this for practice purpose. VOPAN T code. T code VOPAN. Now go and check fourth step. Sorry, this is third step. VOPAN. In VOPAN, you have to write this. Select customer master. Click on change. In VOPAN, select customer master. Click on change. Select customer master. Click on change. Then double click on this step, account group function assignment. Double click on account groups function assignment. Double click on account groups function assignment. Double click on account groups function assignment. Go to new address. Go to new address, mention SP H008, your account group SH H008, PY H008, BP H008. Enter and save. Enter, you will get some warning message. Press enter and save it. Enter and save it. Like that. Okay. So this is the third step. Next, fourth step, create customers with your own account group. 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 T code XD01, you create customers with your own account group. Okay, so I'll create some 2 customers. XD01 means you can create some 10, 20 customers for practice purpose. So what is our account group? Tell me.
008.
008, sir.
H008. H008. Mention your company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Give some name, H008, customer 1, H008, customer 1. Go to company code data, reconciliation account, go to sales area data, shipping condition 01, delivering plant H100, Incoterms FOB, terms of payment, tax classification, save it. Okay. Now, what is the number? 201202 201202. Maintain Excel properly. That will not have. That will be easy for you when you do migration or further configuration. If you have the total data which you are doing, actually this format is preferable. Okay. So maintaining each step. 201202 we created. One more customer, H008, customer 2. Go to company code data, reconciliation account, go to sales area data, shipping conditions 10, H100. Uh, okay, save it. So what is the number? 201203. Okay, these two customers. Now after this, we go to fifth step. Customer, BP activation steps. Will not do this if you don't have this step. We already did this in system, so no issue practice purpose. But in real time, you take the notes if you miss this. BP activation steps. How many steps we have here?
So under that we have 5 actually.
5 steps.
The
So
total is
if someone don't have this, please take the notes. BP activation steps. Okay, we'll not do this again. Okay, sixth step. Define BP roles.
Sir, aren't we
Define
create,
BP roles.
sir, aren't we create any
Take the
contact
path.
person?
Define BP roles. Take the path. SPRO. Define BP roles. Take the path. SPRO. Cross application components. SPRO cross application components. SAP business partner. SAP business partner. In that business partner, basic settings, define business partner roles, define business partner roles, define business partner roles. In that, define BP roles. Define BP roles. Okay. Here, double click on define BP role category. Double click on define BP role category. Double click on define BP role category. One second. Define BP roles. Double click on this one, BP role category. BP role categories. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. We give different one. Define BP roles. All H1. Sorry. 4H, FI, customer FI, differentiation type 0, check organization, person, group, save it. Okay, one more. So you have to do it for both FI and SD. Click on this next entry. SD, customer SD, differentiation type 0, select organization, person, group, save it, save it. Save this. See, if you don't want to do this step, you can use standard BP roles, standard BP role, FI role is, tell me what is the standard role, BP role for FI.
FLCU00.
FLCU00. SD role is
FLCU01.
FLCU01. So this step is not compulsory. You can use standard also, but we are defining our own. So you can take the standard BP role for FI is FLCU00. Standard BP role for SD is FLCU01. Okay. Now take this. We defined our own. What is our FI role? If you don't want this step, you can use standard also. There is no issue. What is our FI role?
Four H and 0 FI.
So our own BP role is HHHHFI, HHHHSD like that. Okay, we defined our own categories. Save it. Then double click on BP roles. 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 Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Double click on BP roles. Go to new entries. HHHHFI, customer FI. You can give same code here, category and role. Okay. Assign BP role category. We define HHHHFI. Assign BP role category. HHHHFI. Scroll down. Scroll down. Mention BP view as standard FLCU00. This you have to maintain standard. Mention BP view as standard. FLCU00. Enter and save it. Okay. Next, SD role, next entry, click on this. HHHHSD, customer SD, mention the BP role category, HHHHSD. Okay. Scroll down, mention the BP view standard, FLCU01, FLCU01.
Sir, in real time also we need to use BP view as FLCU01 only.
Yeah, BP view, it should be standard only. For FI, it is FLCU00. For SD, BP view is FLCU01. In BP view, you have all the fields which you want in BP. So that should be standard only in real time also. Okay, save it. Save it. Okay. So this is the next step. Sixth step. Seventh step. So here someone asked, can I create BP with all? So here we have that configuration BP role grouping. We can group FISD role into one and we can create customer with that role. So that we'll see later. Okay. Next, take this heading, number ranges and groupings. Number ranges and groupings. In that, define BP number ranges. Number ranges and groupings. So in that first one, define BP number ranges. Define BP number ranges. So what is the T code? Tell me.
BUCF, sir.
BUCF. BUCF, T code, number interval. Okay. First one, define number ranges. Go to this step. First step, define number ranges. Click on change intervals. Go to interval, free intervals. So I'll take this 101151. Different number only I'll take here. Just simple. Same number means we have to check some that we'll discuss next level. 101151 1011 99 51299. Okay. 101151 1011 I'll take B9, B8, sorry. Go and check B8 is already there. Okay, B8 is not there. Okay, define, click on insert. B8 1011 512 1011 external uncheck 1011 This is from number, this is to number, external blank, external blank. Okay. Enter and save it. Go and check. B8 1011 512 1011 Save it. Okay. So here B8 is the number. Here second step, define BP groupings. Go back. Here second step, define groupings and assign number ranges. Take the same. Define BP groupings and assign number ranges. 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 So go to this step. So we mentioned B008, B008. Go to new address, grouping B008, BP grouping, BP grouping, number range B8, enter and save it. Number range B8, enter and save it. Okay. So what is our grouping? B008. Next, eighth step, field groupings. Eighth step, field groupings. Path is same. Field groupings. So here, configure field attributes per BP role. configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role, double click on configure field attributes for each role category, double click on configure field attributes for each role category, double click on configure field attributes per each role category, go to new entries, mention your BP role here, HHHHFI, HHHHSD, enter and save it. Enter and save it. Save it. Okay, go back. So what is that? Field groupings, each step. Just go to new entries, mention your BP role there. Ninth, step, take this path, take this heading. Define BP role for direction, customer to BP. Define BP role for direction, customer to BP. Define BP role for direction, customer to BP.
Sir, in between there are two reports, right? You missed.
No, that is okay. This practice purpose I'm giving the steps. So that report you need to check. That is okay because yesterday we discussed that. So this I'll not miss the sequence for practice. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Take the path SPRO. Cross application components. SPRO cross application components. In that master data synchronization. In that master data synchronization. SPRO cross application components. In that master data synchronization. Master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, settings for customer integration, Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. It is already open. We'll come out from this, okay. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Okay, here go to new entries, mention your group, customer account group. Account group means customer account group. Tell me what is our customer account group? Don't get confused here. If you have any doubt, you can click on this heading. It will show you account group means customer account. What is our customer account group present? H008 and mention BP role HHHHFI. Okay, next H008 HHHHSD. Save it. Okay. Okay. So this is the step. What is the step heading? Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Okay. Next, last one, same path. Go to here, customer vendor integration. After that, field assignment for customer integration, assign keys, define number assignment for direction customer to BP. That is the heading. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Okay. So path is same. After business partner settings, customer vendor integration, additional field assignment for customer integration, assign keys, define number assignment for direction customer to BP. Okay. Now go to new entries. Here we assign customer account group to BP grouping. First one is customer account group. Second one is BP grouping. Okay. Go to new entries. Customer account group H008. BP grouping B008. Don't check same number. Enter and save it. Customer account group H008. BP B008, enter and save it. Okay. So now we do migration. So what is the T code? MDS underscore load underscore cockpit.
So what about pre-upgradation check?
That we discussed last class. Here I am just mentioning the practice steps.
Okay.
Okay. So double click on this customer BP. So we created two customers here. Go to select account group, specified values, equal single value, mention H008. Okay. So before going to this, let us check one stable SC16, BUT 000. Do you have entries here? BP grouping B008. Execute, sorry, number of entries 0. Now, after migration, we'll check again, execute. So this is the total for practice purpose. So today, if you miss some points today, you practice this, everyone, and see the simple migration. We'll have next level, same number, ship to party scenarios, contact person scenarios, errors, field mappings, all those will come next week. Okay. Practice this simple migration process. Execute this. Go to monitor and check whether it is success or fail. Go to monitor. Okay. In between, some people did this. Okay. So here it is success. Now go and check B008. How many entries? 2 entries. 2 customers migrated like that. Now finally go to BP and check what is your BP number as per Excel. 1011551. Go and check 1011151 H008 customer 1. Mention your BP role HHHHFI like that. And HHHHSD. You can see what is the customer number. Go to customer general data 20120 something. Okay. So practice this. These are the total steps. Okay. Remaining next level migrations we'll see next week.
Sir, little scroll up
That's it.
in the same Excel sheet.
Sir, we want to take that picture, sir.
So you're not taking notes, sir?
Yes, sir, just easy purpose, sir.
You have to take the notes. Okay, this is
Yes,
from
sir.
first step. First to sixth step, pick it over. First to sixth step over. Next,
Yes, sir.
from seventh to last. Seventh to last. Okay. Okay. Next week we'll continue that.
Sir, there are 2 questions. Can I ask now?
Yes.
So, like, we have taken the list of customer account groups which are in use, and we have also taken the number of customers created to the respective account groups, right? So, likewise, we have also.
Who does that now? Okay. So today we discussed just steps to practice. You can ask next week. I'll tell you again if you want what to do in real time. So just make people to practice these steps.
No,
Don't
my
make
question
them
is not.
confused.
No, my question is not related to that, sir. Like that also, BP groupings also we need to take the number of account group BP groupings, right? So
No. BP groupings is not there in system. We have to configure that.
okay.
We have to define that. It is not in the system already existing system. You have to configure that.
Okay.
Only account groups will be in the system. You will take the information of account groups. For that account group, we define BP groupings. You means consultant, SD consultant or MM consultant will define BP groupings.
So multiple account groups can be assigned to single BP grouping.
Yes. If number is same, multiple account groups. If you have same number, you can assign same BP grouping for all account groups.
Okay, sir. Got it.
BP grouping is related to number range. If you have 5 account groups with same number, all 5 account groups you can assign same BP grouping. That anyway we'll discuss later. This is simple method. Practice this, then we'll discuss all those scenarios. Okay.
Sir, if we want to have same business partner as customer, Still we left
We'll
with the
discuss.
process, I think.
Yes, yes, we'll discuss next week.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.